tell me how I'm not the truck.
Yes.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Bro, we in your kid.
I don't care if my kid, he begging on my door. I'm and I've been giving y'all announcements and updates to what's going on. So I'm sitting here with you too, but what you gonna do?
You on the clock, girl?
What that mean?
You get a bid.
What does that mean?
You get a bid.
Drop your BD.
Practically everybody has finished work.
What you talking about?
So why can't we just go to get another train?
How you gonna get off? You can't. Half the train is out the station. What part you not understanding? I didn't explain it. I said on level.
We didn't hear
What
that,
you want me to do?
We didn't hear you.
What you mean? That's like the Irish.
My bad.
That's why you still sitting here.
Period.
I got a nigga banging on my door. What that mean? But you saying that, but I'm answering. Okay.
Be a little louder. Be a little louder.
We ain't come at you like that.
It's Good Friday. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Okay, arguing's not gonna make it better.
Take it easy, folks.
Everybody's questioning me, and I made the announcement.
We're still on the train though. Like we're still on the train. We're still on the train.
You're missing announcements that you could be hearing.
And I said it. Keep talking.
We supposed to ask you.
Right.
Oh, as we go
Say,
to
I got the new lots.
Alright, nigga. Make me a car high. Fuck, nigga.
What's wrong with him?
We're all recording. Everyone's recording.
Fuck, nigga.
Now
She said the reason why I just called.